This video we are going to discuss about how to read JSON file in Spark. For example, this is the JSON file and we are going to read using Spark. So let me copy this file, and before that let me explain. We have this format. I have installed IntelliJ on my machine. You can see the package is packed, and this is the configuration we have imported. Okay, and this is the object and this is the configurations again. So I'll provide this one on the description. And to read that JSON, either we can read from some file from this machine using Spark read option load, but we have this data. So what we are going to do, we have this data as a format, as a list. So we are going to put this data as a list here. Okay, and then we are going to read this one. Okay, so what we are going to use, we are going to use some Spark read method, spark.read.json. okay, JSON, and then we are going to use sc.parallelize, and this is a list, and this data is on the list, so we are going to use list, and then on the list there is data. Okay, so we are going to show df dot show. Okay, and we are going to print the schema also. And now we are going to run this one. Let me run, and you can see there's a table here. Okay, age is 23, city New York, and name is Christ, and this is the print schema. Okay, age is long, city is string, and name is string. Okay, so this is how we can read this complex data. Suppose we need to read this one. So what we need to do, let me copy this one and let me put here. So let me first delete the whole things together. From here we are going to run again df, and then data, and then we are going to put this data under this list, and this is the data I have pasted here, and we are going to read this data using Spark read. Okay, we are going to convert this data, this list or RDD, this is RDD, to this data frame. So spark dot read dot JSON. Okay, and we are going to convert this RDD to data frame. So we are going to use this sc.parallelize. Okay, and in the list we are going to supply data. Okay, so here df.show and df.print schema. Okay, so let me run this one. You can see the table is here. Okay, age, city, and name, and this is the schema. Age is long, city is string, and name is string. Okay, so from here println, let me do some things. Select statement. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me select something special from here. So what we can do that, Suppose you need to select only name and city. So what we can do like final then spark, this is a df, we need to put the df name dot select. Okay, and then on this select we can use like only we need to put the name and city okay, and then we need to print this final one. So final dot show. Okay, so something wrong here, I don't know what is wrong. Let me try. Okay, something wrong here. What is wrong? Final df. Let me do again. Final df, and this df we are going to use dot select, and then what we need to select, we need to select name and city, and then here final df dot show and final df dot print schema. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to use this select statement from here, and we are going to print name and city. So let me run this one, and you can see this time it's running. Okay, so first what we did, we put this data as a list here, and then we converted this list to a data frame df, and then we print that df. You can see this df and this the print schema also, and then after that we run a select statement using this df. Okay, so df dot select name and city we have selected, and we just printed the print schema. So this is how we can work on complex data. Next video I'm going to use some more method. If there is some array or some other struct type, then how will work. So I'm going to explain those things in the next video. Okay, thank you.